friends. Today we got this dark chocolate egg roll from TNT. Let's open it and find out what's in it. Okay, so we're gonna do this. What is this? I've never really seen this thing. I think it might be a plate. That's what it is. Okay, this is really hard. Oh, it's an actual plate. Plate. Thank you, TNT. Next. Okay. What's happening here? Whatever, let's just open this part. And open. Whoa. What is this? What is this thing? This is cool. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and follow and click on that bell.